Students, today we revise chapter 9 and 11. Chapter 9, the bond of love. According to the paper pattern, there has been given extracts and 2 marks questions and 3 marks question and 5 marks questions. Okay, so we start from extracts. After that, friends visiting Mysore were back to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. They reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. What's mean by restrain? What's mean by restrain का मतलब रोकना, ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करना. कि 3 महीने तक तो मैंने अपनी वाइफ को रोके रखा कि नहीं, आपको मैसूर नहीं जाना है बाबा से मिलने के लिए. लेकिन आफ्टर 3 months I had to agree with her. ठीक है, I had to take her with myself to the zoo. Okay, who was Baba? A baby sloth deer, a dog, a pet cat, a pet tiger. A baby sloth deer. Next question, why was he sent to the zoo? Because he was growing too big to be kept at home, because he was becoming notorious, because they didn't like him, because they were scared of him. Because he was growing too big to be kept at home. Who advised the narrator's wife to keep Bruno at the zoo?
His friend.
Who advised the narrator's wife to keep Bruno at the zoo? Her friends. क्या आएगा? Her friends. How was Baba in the zoo? Happy, angry, mad and sad. Sad. The given lines indicate that Baba was a small pet, was loved by everyone, was a wild animal, was brought up in luxury.
Was loved by everyone.
The given lines indicates that Baba was a small pet, was loved by everyone, was a wild animal, was brought up in luxury.
Was loved by everyone.
Loved by everyone. We put it in one of the gunny bags we had brought, and when I got back to Bangalore, I duly presented it to my wife. Starting से ही है ये. She was delighted. She at once put a colored ribbon around its neck, and after discovering the cub was a boy, she christened it Bruno. Christened it Bruno का मतलब क्या है? उसका नाम क्या रखा? नामकरण क्या रखा? Bruno. It here refers to. We put it in one of the gunny bags. It किसके लिए आया है यहाँ पर? Bruno के लिए. How did the author's wife react upon seeing the present? She was very happy, she was angry, she was nostalgic, and she was quiet. She was happy. What did the author's wife do with the present? उस प्रेजेंट के साथ ऑथर की वाइफ ने क्या किया? Showed it on her to her son, gave it food, put a ribbon around him, and teased him.
Put a ribbon around him.
Put a ribbon around his neck. Which word in the extract is the opposite of dismayed? Duly, presented, discovering and delighted. Delighted. Dismay का मतलब होता है sadness. ठीक है? To make unhappy. तो यहाँ पर उसका उल्टा क्या होगा? Happy. Which word in the extract means same as to name? Duly, discovering, delighted, christened. Okay, now 20 to 30 words answers and 2 marks questions. Which hazardous things did Bruno consume unknowingly, and what effects did they have? engine oil, and another barium carbonate. क्या होती है वो बैरियम कार्बोनेट? पॉइजन। किसको मारता है वो? रैट्स को। ठीक है, उसने उसको पी लिया जिससे उसको क्या हुआ था? पैरालाइज। ठीक है, लेकिन जब सेकेंड टाइम उसने क्या पिया था? इंजन ऑयल, दैट हैड नो इफेक्ट। ठीक है, तुम मत पी लेना ग्रोथ बढ़ाने चक्कर में तुम पी जाओ। What was Bruno's diet in the author's home? What was Bruno's diet in the author's home? Whatever he liked, author's wife gave it. क्या क्या? Porridge, cake, chocolate, ice cream, milk, whatever. ठीक है? How did author's wife react to the proposal of sending Bruno to Mysore? She was very sad, and she was very upset. She didn't want to send it to Jew or Mysore because she loved him very much. ठीक है? But after consultation of her friends, she agreed to send it to the Jew. How did Bruno react when he saw the author's wife met at Mysore Jew? Bruno ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया? Bruno कैसे stood at the head, मतलब इतना खुश हो गया वो, जब तक वो 10 फुट दूर थी वहीं से देख करके उसको इतना खुश हुआ कि वो अपने सिर के बल जो है ना वो खड़ा हो गया और कूदने लग गया। ठीक है, इट वॉज सो हैप्पी। 3 marks questions. Who was Bruno and how was he caught? Bruno was a sloth bear and he was caught by the author in the sugarcane field. ठीक है, when they were going through those sugarcane field, some of his friends shoot the pigs. ठीक है, and by chance his mother was also shot. ठीक है, and the baby was clutched with that mother and it was moving slowly. Then the author came near to that Bruno's mother and he saw that the baby was crying for its mother, and he took it and put it into her gun bag and took it to his home. ठीक है, Mention the festive tricks of Bruno. Festive tricks. वो स्टिक लेता था, स्टिक से वो गन, ठीक है, उसका जो क्रेडल था उसमें वो गन, अपने जो टॉयज थे वो उसमें रखता था। ठीक है, और जब भी उसको बोलते थे कि ब्रूनो शूट करो तो अपनी गन को ऐसे गन पॉइंट, मतलब उसमें जो स्टिक थी उसको अपना वो गन पॉइंट बना लेता था। ठीक है, Was Bruno a loving and playful pet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it was a playful pet. What was decided when he grew up? When he grew, he was sent to the Jew. What arrangements were made at home for Baba for his upkeep on his return from the Jew? A small island was made for him, and all its things were sent to that island. और क्या बनाया? एक पुली बनाई, एक रस्से जैसे ट्री के ऊपर बांध देते हैं तो उसके ऊपर दोनों, जैसे उसकी जो मदर कैसे जाती थी वो, हाँ, पुली के ऊपर जैसे एक पैर रख के हम करते हैं ना कई बार, ट्री के ऊपर एक पैर रख के नीचे और उसको सपोर्ट दे करके, और एक पैर से जैसे मतलब जैसे झूला झूलते हैं ना पीछे से पुश करके, और सीधा दूसरे वहाँ पर आइलैंड पे वो लैंड हो जाती थी। ठीक है, और वो पूरा दिन वहाँ पर ब्रूनो के साथ बैठती थी, इंजॉय करती थी, उसको खाना खिलाती थी। ठीक है, और वो भी बड़ा इंजॉय वे से उसकी जो लैप में आके बैठ जाता था। ठीक है, दैट वाज द लाइफ ऑफ ब्रूनो आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम द जू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Love is mutual. Illustrate this with reference to the bond of love. Yes, love is mutual. Mutual का मतलब क्या होता है? Take, give and take. Give and take. देखो बाबा उसके घर आया, उसने बाबा को प्यार दिया, लव दिया, तो बाबा ने भी एक्सचेंज में क्या दिया उसको? लव ही दिया. अदरवाइज जो उसके ऑथर के फ्रेंड थे वो क्या बोल रहे थे? वो ये बोल रहे थे कि जू में जाने के बाद, क्योंकि जो जू होता है वो उनका नेचुरल हैबिटेट है.
Yes, ma'am.
नेचुरल हैबिटेट है ना उनका. नेचुरल हैबिटेट में जाने के बाद उसको अपने जैसे बहुत सारे बियर मिल जाएंगे वहाँ पर, और वो ऑथर की वाइफ को भूल जाएगा. लेकिन नहीं, वो उसके ऑथर की वाइफ के लव को और उसको नहीं भूल पाया. ठीक है. दे वर बोथ इन टीयर्स when she was returning home after meeting with Bruno in the zoo. Next lesson, if I were you. This is your big surprise. I said you won't kill me and I was right. Why do you think I am here today and gone tomorrow? Never see tradespeople. You say my habits would suit you. You are a crook. Crook means father. Do you think I am a Sunday school teacher? The game's up. Game is up as far as I am concerned. Who is Gerard talking to?
Intruder.
The intruder. What was the big surprise? Gerard was a criminal. Gerard was a police officer. The police were outside, and Gerard had informed the police.
Inform.
First wala.
Gerard is not a criminal.
Inform to police.
The police were Gerard had informed the police. Gerard ने पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था. ठीक है. जब उसको अलमीरा में बंद किया था तो गेरार्ड ने पुलिस को बंद कर दिया था. उसने सिर्फ क्या स्टोरी बनाई थी कि मैं भी एक क्रिमिनल हूँ और मेरे पीछे भी पुलिस है, मैंने भी किसी को मार दिया था. ठीक है. तो मेरे पीछे पुलिस है, तो पुलिस वाले जो है ना 2 बार तो मुझे हैंग करेंगे नहीं, चाहे 1 खून करो चाहे 2 करो. ठीक है. तो ये मत सोचना कि तुम अगर मेरी आइडेंटिटी लोगे, मेरी आइडेंटिटी पे मुझे मार के जिंदा रहना चाहोगे तो भी आपको सज़ा मिलेगी. पुलिस तो आपको तब भी पकड़ेगी. तो उसने इतना मतलब इसको क्या बोलते हैं, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. कितना जल्दी उसको जांच लिया, ऑब्जर्व कर लिया और क्या किया. हाँ, इतना जल्दी उसको ऑब्जर्व कर लिया और अपने माइंड में क्या है, स्टोरी भी बना ली कि इस टाइप से इसको ट्रैप किया जा सकता है. अगर ऐसे बंदे को उसी टाइम पर ऐसे ट्रैप नहीं करते वो तो क्या होता, तो वो उसको मार देता. ठीक है. Why was the listener going to kill Gerard? For taking his property, for the pleasure of it, for taking his identity and for hiding himself.
For taking his identity.
How is Gerard justify his surprise? By his habits, by his talks, and by his aura and all of these. By his all of these आएगा. क्या आएगा? All of these. Aura का मतलब क्या होता है? Aura जो मेरे चारों तरफ का जो वातावरण है उससे दूर तक उसको बोलते हैं aura. ठीक है. Next passage. Intruder, my specialty is jewel robbery. Your car will do me a treat. It is certainly a dandy bus. Gerard, I am afraid jewels are few and far between in the wilds of Essex. And intruder, so are the cops. I can retire here nicely for a little while. What did the intruder want from Gerard? To kill him, to steal from him, to take his identity? The same is here. What is the intruder's profession? Intruder का profession क्या है? He is a jewel thief. He is a jewel thief. Why does the intruder choose Gerard's house? Because he was safe there, because he could hide from police, because he could be peaceful, all of these. Yes. What is happening in the given lines? Gerard is wasting his time. Gerard is getting to know more about the intruder. Gerard is taking his time to come up with the plan. And intruder is informing Gerard of his purpose.
See.
Gerard is taking his time to come up with a plan. Gerard मतलब उससे वो बात उससे इसलिए कर रहा है, किसके? इंट्रूडर गेरार्ड से बात इसलिए कर रहा है ताकि वो उसकी आइडेंटिटी जान सके अच्छे से, इसका बात करने का एक्सेंट क्या है, बात करने का इसका तरीका क्या है, ठीक है, इसके कौन कौन फ्रेंड्स हैं, कौन कौन इसके पास आता है, ठीक है। और वो ये चाहता है कि मैं इसको समझ गया हूँ, मैं इसको जो ना आउट रन कैसे करूँ, ठीक है, मैं इसको अपनी प्लान कैसे बनाऊँ कि मैं ये इसको यहाँ से ठीक ठाक जो ना पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर दूँ, ठीक है। Which word in the extract means the same as excellent? Dandy, treat, nicely, retire and yes. Dandy. क्या आएगा? Dandy. Dandy का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? Excellent ये दे रखा है. It is certainly a dandy bus. Give a reason for the intruder's desire to kill Gerard. इंट्रूडर का क्या था रीजन गेरार्ड को मारने का? यस, बिकॉज पुलिस वर चेजिंग हिम एंड ही सो मेनी टाइम्स he had observed Gerard while talking on telephone, ठीक है, and he thought that Gerard's appearance was same as of him and his accent was same also, so he chased him and he intrudes in his home and he talked him so that he could know more about him, ठीक है। Why does Gerard show his traveling bag to the intruder? ट्रैवलिंग बैग क्यों दिखाता है वो उसको? कहता है मैं तो जा रहा हूँ और मैं जो ना ड्रामा प्ले करने वाला हूँ और मेरे तो आज रिहर्सल है, ठीक है। वो अपना पैकिंग कर रहा होता है तो मुझे नहीं पता मेरे को कितना टाइम लग जाए। शी मेक्स सो मैनी एक्सक्यूजेस। व्हाट डिड गेरार्ड टेल द इंट्रूडर अबाउट हिज लाइफ? यही ना कि आई हैव ऑल्सो I am also a criminal and I have also killed a cop and police will also, if you will take my identity, you will also be trapped one day, ठीक है। Did Gerard meet any tradespeople? Why? क्या गेरार्ड जो ना किसी ट्रेड्स से मिला? Why? क्यों मिला? हाँ, मिला? पूरे लेसन पढ़ा है आपने? ऐसे ब्लैंक बैठे हुए हैं सारे के सारे। नो, he didn't meet any trade people because he was, कौन था वो? ड्रामेटिस्ट था वो, ठीक है।